Hello, good morning. In this lecture, we are going to continue with our series of linear algebra, and today we are going to do some linear transformations, and probably we'll start with inner product spaces. Okay, so without wasting time, let us start. Okay. Okay. Okay, so in last lecture we were doing something about linear transformations, if you remember, and I found that many people were not able to follow that particular thing. So let me just recap all those things. So in last class we were doing the matrix representation of linear transformation. Okay, so what I wanted to convey was, let's say you have a subset U, and let's say this is a m-dimensional vector space. Let's say this is an m-dimensional vector space. Okay, and let's say I have to make a linear transformation from T to V, where V, let's say for general, I'm writing it as an n-dimensional vector space. Okay, so and let us say that, and please remember, in that last class, I cautioned you, I told you that whenever you're doing matrix representation, try to use ordered basis. So by ordered basis, I mean, let's say in 2 dimension, what would be ordered basis? X would come first and then Y would come. So that way only you'll have to see things, because otherwise the matrix of linear transformation will no longer remain unique. So therefore, one has to remember that whenever you have to change the basis or you have to do this, you have to find the matrix of linear transformation. One needs to use the I think Deepta has joined. Okay, one needs to use the ordered basis. Okay, so one needs to use the ordered basis. So this is the matrix representation of linear transformation. In the last class, we were doing this. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I think there is an issue. Just give me a minute. So I hope now things will be visible. Just let me help myself with this. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. I thought it is visible. Okay, now I think it's visible. So we are doing what? We are doing the matrix representation of linear transformation. In last class, I have already done this, but I felt that not many people followed it. So I'm just recapping it, okay? So matrix representation of linear transformation. Okay, and I hope it is clear now. Okay, it's not clear. I don't know what's happening. Mm, just give me a minute. I guess there is a problem with something. Equal to go. Let me use whiteboard. Just give me a minute. I guess there is a problem with something. On my side it is visible, but on your side it's not. I don't know why. Let me do one thing. Okay, so I guess now it will be visible. So we are doing, let me see if it's working. Why it's not visible? I think it's why it's not visible. Matrix. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, so let me conclude this session, and I'll give you some other link. I guess there is an issue with something. I don't know why. So just wait for a minute. I'll give you some other link. I guess it's not visible right now. I don't know what is an issue about it. Mm, it is visible on my board. It is not visible on the side. Hey, just give me a minute, okay? So just give me a minute.